Hi, this is Janet Kelly from Seeking Peace Coaching. I am a domestic violence survivor, advocate, educator, and coach. October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month. I will be posting, as others, a lot of educational material. Please take the time to listen and learn about something that many victims do not understand is happening to them. If you are in a people helper role, like a counselor or a pastor or a women's ministry leader, this information can be life-saving for those that you serve. Over the month, I will have different posts about different aspects. Education, also just the process of leaving, and also resources that you can go to for help. Right now, I'd like to tell you about two different resources that have been helpful to me in the beginning and now at the end. First off is a ministry out of North Carolina called Called to Peace Ministries. They will provide advocates for victims. They will train pastors on how to respond well to abuse. They have tons of material on YouTube. Joy Force's book, Called to Peace, is very helpful in explaining domestic violence and how spiritual abuse occurs. The second resource I want to mention is an AI program specifically for those that are being abused. It's called AimeeSays. And you can use this program to help you understand conversations that you're having, help you learn how to reply to difficult texts, help you understand what's happening in a conversation. If you've recorded it and made transcripts, you can upload it, and the AI will find the lies that you're being told. So it is a very helpful AI program for the women in abuse because it is trauma-informed in its response, and it helps you navigate and keep your own emotions intact. Again, this is Janet from Seeking Peace Coaching, and you can find me on my website, seekingpeacecoaching.com. I'm on YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Thank you, and have a great day.